What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Fishing GrubbZ. Alright folks, so today we're going back to the place where I've caught the biggest bass of my life. There's no challenge, we're just going out with a really good friend, throwing that same bait that caught that giant fish the last time we were out there. And we put together a great day. The wind was a little bit crazy, we had overcast skies. In all of the spots that didn't have a lot of wind, I threw the rat. I got snapped at like 3 or 4 times, but nothing would commit. Dan did get the biggest fish of the day on a topwater sprinkler frog, which was pretty freaking epic. But I tell you right now, nothing beats a day on the water with a good friend. We had a blast. Thanks for joining us. Let's get out there. Oh yeah, I forgot. If you enjoy what you see today, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and hit the bell notifications. We are going to be cranking out some content now that we're back home, not working every hour or every minute of every week. We're going to be spending a lot more time with the family, and we're going to be putting out videos at least twice a week now. And once I can figure out how to hook up this camera to my computer for live streaming without spending $150 on some stupid little cartridge thing, we're going to be starting to live stream, and if not, I might just get a webcam for that. So do me a favor, and before this video continues, beat the piss out of that like button. Before we go out there, do me a favor and smash like. We got to beat T-Series. Smash like. Smash like. Let's get out there. Nuh-uh. Bro. First one to the deep. Nice.
Maybe they're out there today.
Hey. Woo.
Should have kept him for bait. That's a good fish, bro. That's a good fish. I don't know if I need the net. She's a good little bite. Nice, dude. Oh, deep. I'm telling you. That's where they're going to be today.
That's awesome.
Yeah,
Yes.
Whew.
Came right off, too.
Came right off.
Better fish.
Better fish. We have fish. There are fish here.
That's awesome.
She's clean, too. She's pretty. Got good markings.
Love it.
Mwah.
Nice. Another one. That one was right behind us, huh?
Yeah, he followed that worm. Boat was pulling the worm.
Yeah. Another one. Dan, you're on fire, bro. Oh, a little deep for Dan. He's up, what, 4?
4.
Dope.
Nothing big, but
Take him.
fishy, fishy.
So what happened the last time here? We got a shite load of dinks. And all of a sudden, shabam. Of course.
Oh, no.
Of course I wasn't recording for my first fish of the day. But, ladies and gentlemen, my skunk is off.
The skunk is off. It's a good fish. Oh, yeah.
Good fish.
Good fish.
What's that on?
Engulfed the frog.
That's a nice fish,
Nice
bro.
fish, bud. Woo! Thanks,
There you
buddy.
go.
Yeah.
Let me get the nice camera.
You got it.
Beautiful.
Perfect bite, perfect set.
That is awesome.
Good fish.
We're good. That's dope, bro.
Yeah. Every bit of 3 pounds.
No.
You don't think that's 3?
2.5.
Come on.
Calling it.
Yeah, you want to put it on?
Yeah.
What?
Just hold that.
Yeah. 2. Oh, you got a good scale now, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Attaboy. 212. What do you got?
2.71.
2.7? Eh, whatever. I'll still take it.
Hell yeah.
Awesome hit, dude.
Anything on those frogs, man.
It was
That's
so
a
exciting.
sick bite.
It's so exciting when it happens.
All right. Damn, with a butte. Nice fish. Best one of the day.
Good?
Oh yeah. I didn't get any photos, but.
No worry. I always take my stills off of this. Yeah.
Yes.
He's heating up. I'm gonna keep. Followed it with the worm and it worked. What do you know?
Who would have thunk? Nuh-uh.
Doubling up.
Double up.
Yeah, baby.
You got the big one. We'll take that though.
Yeah, dude.
First double.
First double.
That's sick.
Sweet, buddy.
It's such a dink. Take it though. Dink factory.
Rump, 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 rump. That's awesome, buddy.
Woo!
Woo! Yeah, baby.
You got a worm?
Yeah.
Man. I'm gonna try and follow up real quick.
Nice, that's a fish, huh?
Oh boy, was it ever. It was about the size of the Senko.
Not too bad.
A lot of offshore bass today.
Yeah. It's a fish is a fish. 8 is great.
Yep. No. Thought I had a fish. It's been just some shit on the bottom. That's a fish.
Yeah, baby.
Tiny ones. Good one. Decent fish. My best of the day. Hey.
Oh, good fish.
Yeah. I don't know.
Nice fish, buddy. Sweet. Black and blue.
Yeah.
Nice.
Right after you said this place is dead.
That was awesome. I mean, I half did it on purpose, hoping that it would cause a strike, you know?
My best of the day. We are like totally out of juice.
Came back. Yeah.
Good fish?
Yeah, feels pretty good. Might be that big one, you know? Good fish, though. Yeah. Oh.
I wonder if that's the same one that hit the rat.
I wonder.
It looked around, you know, maybe a little bit bigger, so it might not have been, but quite possible. You got him right in that same spot, right?
Yeah, pretty close. Right now. had lost him too. That sucked. He came back and
Got one. Good one too.
doubled up again. Nice, you got a good fish there.
Quality. Ah, nice. We're doing it. Trolling motor's dead.
Yo.
But we're doing it. We're out here, folks.
Ooh. Yeah, let's get him back in.
Yep. Awesome, folks. No way. While pissing.
Another swallow job?
Yeah.
Fucking key, just gotta leave it there, let him swallow it up.
I mean, I was peeing.
Right? That's what I mean.
Another one, folks. Pretty sweet. Fishing, peeing, peeing, and fishing. Come on, take it. Take it. Come on, take it. Pickerel. Do you know there were slime darts in here?
Oh yeah.
Oh, okay.
Not a lot of them, but they're here.
Is that a fish? It is.
I don't know if you want to call it a fish, but
Yeah, he's got the dinky dong.
that may be the dink of the day.
That
right there.
that one's about the size of my Senko. We did it. And we caught a bunch of fish. I can't believe that. I bet I could catch a fish right here. You butt plug. It's a decent one too.
Yeah, dude.
And a little, I mean, it's little, but it ain't that little. You're such a butthole.
Come on, that was awesome.
That was awesome.
Dude, I bet you I can catch a fish right at that little point.
I wish I was recording for that. I just turned the camera off. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we had a fantastic day out here. Obviously, something's up with my trolling motor battery. I think the battery itself is toast because everything else is charged. I left the boat charging for almost a month, so I'm sure something's up with the battery. So we're gonna have to change that. Dan's over here while I'm filming some B-roll, just catching more fish, so that's dope. But we had a killer day out on the water. No giant fish today, but man, when you catch as many fish as we did, it really doesn't matter, does it? Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Fishing Grubs. Fish out! I almost just fell in, guys. Backwards. That fucking hurt. Oh no.